Hey gang, today we're looking at these rather nasty looking headlights that are scratched and fogged up and not looking great. So we're going to use this T-cut headlight restoration kit. Let's see how we get on today. So first we're going to use this, the headlight polishing compound. So now I've used the polish, now it's time to use this headlight sealant. Now, while this headlight is still far from perfect, I'd just like to point out that this headlight looks much better than the other side, which hasn't been treated yet. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. You guys take care.